Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. This week I am using the Weekend Kit by Rachel Etrog, and I will link that down below. So as usual, I will start here by putting in my papers in the background. And so I am just trying to balance out a more busy pattern next to something more solid, kind of spread out the different colors. And I also like to repeat them on the two different pages so that they kind of all come together. This is, you can see there's a nice floral pattern in this kit, which is probably what caught my eye. And then once I've got the papers in the background, then I can come back in here and put in some elements. So I started out there with some different labels, and then I'm just looking through for different things that catch my eye and making little clusters here and there around the layout. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.